Welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence. I'm Dave, and this is Ariel.
Hello, today we'll guide you through the quick and easy process of adding a video or audio message to your course in Brightspace, complete with automatic captioning. This is perfect for announcements, discussions, lectures, or anything else you need. Let's dive in.
We'll walk you through the steps of inserting a video or audio file into your course with automatic captioning. First, navigate to your course shell. Today, we'll use my Brightspace sandbox. If you'd like, you can create an announcement right here on this page. Just click the Create Announcement button, enter your headline, and then select the Insert Stuff icon. From there, choose Add Video Note. Remember, you can opt for just audio if you prefer.
If your webcam is connected or your laptop camera is on, you'll see a preview of the video. Below that, there's a blue New Recording button along with a toggle for audio only. For this demo, we'll keep the video on. Now let's select the blue New Recording button. Once you do, it will start recording.
Welcome to week 1 class. I hope that you have a wonderful module 1 and make sure that you go to the discussion board this week and that you introduce yourself. I'm going to go ahead and introduce myself and my best friend Kodiak. Come on. Who's here with me today, doing a great job as my co-teacher. I look forward to learning all about you. Talk soon. Bye.
When you're finished, press the button again. It'll change to Stop Recording. After stopping, your recording will automatically play back for you to review. If you'd like to try again, just click New Recording.
When you're happy with your creation, click the Next button. A new window will open, allowing you to add a title, description, and select your caption language. For this example, let's title it Welcome to Module 1 and write View this video before beginning Module 1. We'll choose English, United States for the audio language. Check the box for automatically generate captions from audio and hit Next. The file will then process. Depending on its length, this might take a little while, so feel free to take a break.
Once processing is complete, you can review your creation by clicking the play button in the center of the screen. Below the video, you'll find additional controls: volume or mute, a search function, settings, which is the little gear icon, and full screen option. In the settings menu, you can adjust playback speed, enable or disable captions, view the transcript, and even download the video. When you're satisfied with everything, then you're ready to publish. Just click the blue Publish button, and you're all done. And just like that, you're famous. Thank you for joining us today for another Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope that you find this tip helpful and decide to integrate audio and video notes into your course.
And be sure to tune in next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Bye.
Thank you for watching, and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.